Finding a general contractor who can handle anything you need for your home can be stressful. Here's what you need to know about custom building to landscaping and everything in between.
So we at the Swenson Group, we handle everything from landscaping all the way to building, we could build you a skyscraper if you needed us to. We like to get in at the very beginning of the process and try and help the people so they're not spending a bunch of money foolishly. So we like to have them engage us early, and then we'll engage our people, kind of like today, we're at the Lacey's Design Center where I send a lot of my customers to come pick out tile. I mean, they have a lot of things here that I've never even seen before that people are like, wow, that's awesome. So I like to bring them here and check out all the new and unique styles they have here. I just like when we get to bring joy to people's faces at the end of a project. I mean, that's my biggest thing, is helping people. And I feel like when we're done with a project and everyone's happy, I feel like I help them. When you're hiring a general contractor, you like to, check out their reviews, speak to the people, speak to past customers, speak to subcontractors that work with the contractor. That's a real good indicator of how they treat people and how you'll be treated. So we like to, we'll give people a list of all of our subcontractors, and they're free to call them, and I can guarantee you most of them will say that we're probably the best contractor to work with.
So let's talk about new home construction. Ty has some ideas on what to look for before you hire someone.
I always like to tell people, make sure you know what size lot you need to build that house on. A lot of people will say, hey, I love this lot, can I build this house? And I'm like, well, your house is 6,500 square feet and the lot is only 5,000 square feet. So it's gonna be a little bit of a problem. So I like to make sure the first thing you do is get the size lot that you need to build the actual house that you're looking to build on.
Maybe it's just a remodel you're after, or maybe some landscaping.
When you're doing a remodel, first thing you gotta know is whether you're gonna stay in the house or you're gonna move out. That causes the most problems. I've remodeled a house with my wife and it caused a lot of problems. It causes a lot of undue stress. So you have to keep that in mind at the very beginning. We don't wanna see you get divorced because you guys get in so many fights while we're in your house doing work. We like to, set expectations and over communicate those things. So we'll tell people we're gonna be there on Monday with these trades, and then we'll follow up on Friday and say, hey, remember, we're gonna be there Monday at 8. So we like to, just over communicate things when we're doing a remodel, because we know how stressful it can be for people coming in and out of your house.
No matter what you need, make sure you hire a licensed professional.
I spend a lot of time educating people on why they should hire a licensed professional. People are like, well, you're too expensive. But we also pay close to $100,000 a year in insurance, which the guy that's charging you $30 a square foot cheaper doesn't have the same type of insurance or license. Like if I don't finish a project, you can call the state of Florida and they could take my license away. We take it very seriously that every project we have licensed people on, that type of thing. Anything you need done on a residential property, call the Swenson Group. We handle it all. We're the Swiss Army knife of property services.
Want to know more about Swenson Construction? Visit swensonent.com or designingspaces.tv.